Hello there, this is Victor for Monday, May 15th. And I'm just going to do a short, quick video here of a couple of or several stocks that I have on my watch list going into tomorrow. There are 5 of them, and as you can see on the screen here, uh, we have a healthcare, financials, and a consumer staple here. So let's look at the chart and see what they look like. Here we're looking at the daily. And as you can see here, it's been going down. It's above the 20-day moving average, which is good. We also see the RSI2 is also hit below the 10, the reading of the 10. And RSI5 is also close to the bottom, but I do not expect it to dip down below the 25 mark and bounce up, because normally I've noticed the stocks that are potentially creating an uptrend now, or a short-term uptrend for a swing trade, is the RSI 5 doesn't reach all the way to the bottom, so I depend more on the RSI 2 to look for an entry. And in this case, we got the RSI 2 below 10, it's above the 20, and this is the 200-day moving average, so it's a uptrending stock here. So it's showing some potential as far as moving up, possibly. So what I like to do is, based on this reading here, I drill down into the 4-hour chart, and you can see here I have this trend line going down here. I did put an alert, so if it trades and closes above the 4-hour on the 4-hour chart, the candle that's above the trend line, then I will consider getting in and then putting a stop down below, in this case the low right here, and then just do the risk to reward ratio, which is in this case probably would be up to here where we would look getting into. That's what I have here. Now let's go to the next one here. Switch over to the daily real quick so you can see. So it has 2 days down. RSI 2 is dipped below the 10 reading, so we're going to try to look for a bounce here. So switching over to the 4-hour chart, you can see the trend line here. So it may trade sideways maybe a day or two, or it may continue to head up and close above this trend line. So again, I have an alert on this, so yeah, as soon as I get an alert showing that it's crossing above this trend line, then I would consider adding a position to this. NVS, going over to the daily, you can see it's been having a strong uptrend, which is great, above the 20. RSI 2 has been steadily staying underneath, so we're looking for a potential bounce. We do have a gap here, so this is where we can potentially see an easy first target. Second target would be up here. So looking for a close above this line here, or we could also just put a trend line as well, like so. And then we put an alert. Switch down here. Okay, and we'll put it, I put TCL, trend line crossing, that's what it means. So once I get that alert showing that a 1-day chart, TCL, trend line crossing, then I would look into this. Also, you could also go down to the 4-hour, maybe fine tune this a little bit. There we go. I like this one a little better. So if I see a crossing above this on the 4-hour chart where it's closing, then I would consider possibly putting a small position. Next one here, going to the daily. Again, we have several days red candles. RSI 2 is below 10. We are bouncing off of the 20 in the 200-day moving average, so it's clearly on the uptrend. You can see it's making higher highs or higher lows in this case. And drilling down to the 4-hour, you can see the trend line right here. So if I see a break above this, then it would alert me, and I would consider going long on this one. And then the last one, let's go to the daily real quick. You can see it's been pulling back. RSI 2 below under the 10. We're above the 20-day moving average, above the 200. So I know we got a strong down candle here. So drilling down to the 4-hour, you can see, so it may take a few days before it could break above if it continues to go up higher. So just that's why I like to put my alerts. This way I don't have to worry about it. And once I get alerted on my cell phone, then I would check. And if it's seems like it's trading above, then I consider getting in. Well, and that's pretty much it for now. These are the stocks that I'm going to be watching and possibly swing trading for this week. Okay? Have a great night. Until the next video. Bye.